Meaning of Gaulish.
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 Gaulish. Gaulish refers to the language, culture, and people of Gaul, an area roughly equivalent to modern-day France during the Iron Age and Roman period. Gaulish was a Celtic language spoken in the region before it was replaced by Latin during the Roman conquest. Gaulish culture was characterized by its elaborate metalworking, artistic expression, and religious practices, and it had a significant impact on European history. Today, the term Gaulish is primarily used to describe this ancient language and culture, which continues to inspire interest and study among scholars and enthusiasts.